2014 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got an aftermarket converter on this side. It's got a factory converter there. We just put an aftermarket right there, Magnaflow. Then it duals into a single. Then we put it's still got the third converter there. Then it wires in and goes into a cherry bomb. Single in, dual out. Part number 7427CB. Cherry bomb Xtreme muffler right there. Then two tailpipes, 2 1/4, all the way back on each side into some massive 5-inch roll tips there and there, because they look so good on these trucks and cars. And like always, guys, you'll find a link in this in the description for the tips. We'll have something like them, and a link for the muffler right there. It's a Cherry Bomb Xtreme. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It just keeps us going and keep getting you guys content. We appreciate it more than you know. Look at those 5-inch tips. 2018 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 beast. Really beautiful truck, lifted 3 inches, I guess. Nice big wheels, tires. Anyways, what we got done on it for you guys. Got factory converters there and there. Then it had the regular 3-inch cat that we cut off, the third cat, and put a high flow in its place right there. It's got the original flex pipe, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a vibrant bottle style muffler right there, and 2.5-inch tailpipe to get it a little bit deeper for them, into a 5-inch rolled black tip right there. You guys can see, came out really nice, really pretty. There it is. We put on a whole new tailpipe. We cut the muffler and the resonator and the tailpipe off, and we just threw them a new tailpipe on it. It looks better. 2016 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. We got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then the dreaded third cat. Then a flex pipe. Then 2.5-inch pipe. And what we put on it is a Magnaflow, part number 12867. Then put a Y pipe behind it, 3-inch to 2.5. Then 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there and right there. And we'll have a link in the description for that muffler for you guys. And then 4-inch tips, rolled double wall, right there. He was going for the clean look. He didn't want it too loud, too big. He wanted a nice deep tone. That's what we did for him, right there, GMC Sierra. And this is the muffler and tailpipe we cut off, and resonator. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please subscribe. Oh, that sounds so good. That sounds really good. Cherry Bomb Xtreme. This is the muffler and tailpipe we cut off and resonator. Again. Sound decibels. Right at 100. Go almost. Go ahead, back it up. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. I love the look. Looks really beautiful. Those 5-inch black tips look really nice on these. That sounds sick. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's so deep. That vibrant never disappoints, man. They sound just such a deep tone it gives. Oh, that sounds so good. Again? Sound decibels? Again? right at 100. Yeah, it went up to even on 101. That black tip looks really good on it too.
I'm glad I didn't go loud.
Yeah. See, those videos help. That sounds so good on these. Wow. Oh yeah, that sounds good. Give a guess. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Let us know. I like it. Again. The sound decibels. Again. Right at 98. Go ahead and back it up. GMC Sierra. What you guys hear on the inside? Silverado 5.3 liter beast. It's a nice truck. I like it. I like the bumper guard too. It's pretty cool. Tiger.